Hello, it's Mark here from Markham3D, and in this video I'm going to show you how to wrap SciFi panels around an object. So if we come over here, this is part of my Greeble pack that is available on Gumroad, so if you want, click on the description below. However, you can make these yourself, just put a little bit of time and effort into it. So what I'm going to do is add in a cube, and then we're just going to scale it up. Let me just go Control B, and then we're just going to kind of mimic that this is our ship. What I want to do now is apply this flat plane to this surface here. Now if I press G, we can kind of try and line it up, but we want to do things faster. We want that workflow. So up here into the snap to, we're going to change to face. We want to snap with the center of this object, and we want to align rotation to target. So now when I press G and hold Control, you see that it now snaps to that surface where we've put it. You can see that it's kind of stuck on there. There's no depth to it. So what I like to do is come over into the modifiers panel, add modifier, solidify modifier. We change the offset to 0, and then we can just increase this to however big we want it. On this part here, we can come into the object data and auto smooth, and there we go. So that's fixed up that problem. And so straight off the bat, we can see now that we've got some really nice SciFi panels sticking off this object. But the point of this video is to kind of make it wrap around. So back into solid mode, what I'm going to do is just go Alt R to reset the rotation, and let's go G, Z, and I'm going to scale that up. Let's just put it into a nice position like so. At this point here, I want half the panels to be here and then come down. So let's come back into the modifiers section, add modifier. We want the shrink wrap modifier. And right now I'm going to push it above the solidifier. So let's click and drag and put it above. If we select our target, I'm going to select this object here, and we can see that it wraps around. However, now it's kind of mutilated. That's not what we want. We want to change the wrap method from nearest surface point to project. At the moment, it's not projecting. We just need to enable negative. There we go. But now we've got the issue where it's kind of clipping through the mesh. So it's not very pretty. That's because we don't have enough geometry for this cut line. So if I press tab to go into edit mode, I'm going to press numpad 7 to zoom in. From here, what I'm just going to do is line up one of these lines here. I can now press K to bring up the knife tool. Z, so it cuts through everything, and C, so I want it to go straight through all the way. Left click and enter. Now if we go tab into edit mode, you can see that it's sitting directly above. We could probably just move it maybe backwards and forwards a little bit, so let's go GY, there we go. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. We've now achieved this kind of a wrap around the surface. If you haven't already, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and keeps up to date my content.